Hey, MrJhoward, Concept Properties 1. We got a tub with a super slow drain. It's got a lot of debris in here from construction and stuff that was just here already. So I'm gonna snake it. I got my Ryobi snake. I don't know if there's a model number or something. I can't remember. I got this thing a long time ago. But I'm gonna pull this up, snake down, and then I'll let y'all know what I find. So I already used some Drano and all that stuff, and it's still going pretty slow. So let's see. Be right back. Still feeding it through. Let's see what we got. All right, so I ran it down the feed. So let's flush it down. It's real nasty. We'll clean all that up, and now we're good to go. So I'm gonna clean all this debris out first, and then let it kind of, and just go from there. I'm gonna put it in just a little bit more. It's still kind of slow. I'll feed it all the way in there. That's clear, and then we'll go from there. All right. So I thought it was gonna let me pick up from there, so I'll fix that. Okay, real quick, let's talk about the controls on this bad boy. So you got forward, neutral, reverse. All right, and then up here you got a forward and reverse. And on this side, you got a neutral. All right, so what you want to happen, if you're trying to place it forward, obviously, pull this out, change it to the F, forward, push it down, forward, make sure it's forward, neutral is pressed in. If you switch to the other side and sorry about that, phone ring. All right, forward, neutral, reverse is the controls. Pull it out, turn to the one that you want. Forward is obviously to go forward. Neutral is just for cleaning. Like once you get stuck, just run it. Let it get stuck. You want your line as straight as possible, and just keep letting it run it inside of that drain. And it's cleaning out. It's catching everything, clean it out. Once it's straight, then run it forward again and go all the way down and then run it back up. That's the way I do it. Make sure that you're down where the intended destination. Make sure you click the forward and reverse if you're going forward and reverse, and if you're going neutral, it's on the other side. Neutral. All right. So I'm gonna keep running this for a while and then I'll jump back on. All right. So also sometimes when you got a really tough clog, you gotta keep reversing it from neutral, what I'm running it now, and you'll see your water kind of bouncing. Where your clog is, watch. Yeah, it's bouncing in and out. Yeah. Yeah, it's raising, coming down. There's something in it, see that? But what's more important is my line is straight, so I know whatever I'm hitting, my phone in it, I'm definitely hitting it. So now I'll change it over to forward for a little while. I'm gonna just let this go, hold on. Put my glove back on. Change it over to forward, hit my forward button, and I'm just kind of like pushing it further through. If it lets me keep feeding it, great. If it starts folding up and coming back, like it's trying to do now, and I know I hit something, right? So let me see. So it starts folding up. I know I hit something now. So now what I want to do, I want to put it back in neutral. Change it over to neutral. I'll keep fighting it. And I'm just kind of moving the snake back and forth, watching it get whatever that is down that pipe. We're not that far from the main here, so you just want to keep pushing it. You want to be careful if your customer has already put like Drano and stuff like that in it, because you don't want that bouncing in your face and your mouth and your eyes. You see, I have braces on. I want to protect my teeth. I'm seeing water bounce again, so I'm hitting the debris. All right. So now I'm gonna put it back in forward. Just let me feed. I'm feeding it. All right. Just ran into that obstacle again. Back in neutral, and just keep doing it back and forth until we get that obstacle clear. I'm in there pretty deep. Water's bouncing again. Bouncing real good. All right, when I pull this thing out, all the water that's in there is pretty much. Hold on, I want to show you this so you can see what I'm talking about. Pull this out here. Now watch. Look at how much that water is bouncing. If I feed it in there, it's almost coming out. Feed it in. You come in. I gotta edit this in here.
You want me to keep going?
No, we're gonna start. I'm coming out right now. That's done. All right. So I got it in neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in reverse. I mean in forward. Feed it back down there. As soon as it starts backing up like that, we know we've out of that obstacle. Go ahead and run it in neutral again. Sorry, I'm on the video. I'm gonna keep. See that you're moving that obstacle. You're getting water bouncing again. I'm in there. Alright, now I want to feed a little more, just to be sure. Let's see if I can. I don't know, I'm trying to wind up on it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and reverse it. Take it all the way out. Finally finishing up this long video. It's probably quick once I edit it. I ended up having to order some new tips for this. And this one ended up getting the job done. Ryobi, this is the P4002. You gotta be careful because they have some other tips that I gotta take back that don't fit. You gotta squeeze the little thing and put it on there. Here now, I'm about to clean this tub out. Let water in. Water goes down, no problem, no filling up. Let me make this tub look like new. So, there you go. Finally, snake auger in this clogged tub drain. All right. And it ain't funny. And make sure you like, subscribe, share. Ryobi Drain Auger. This is the P4002. P4002. Go ahead and reverse this bad boy. Don't let this thing snap in your face because it will hit you. I think it's about time for me to get a new thing. See, I still got that tip on it. Worked out. People just use that this tip here. Works good too, but this one got the job done. Just kind of feed it in a little bit. It might be time for me to. It's honestly slow. Watch your gloves too. You get your little fingers caught in there, it's gonna hurt. It might be time for me to get a new drum with the snake and stuff inside. It's good enough. All right. Like, subscribe, share. MrJhoward, Concept Properties. Using my Ryobi P4002 Drain Auger Clear Drain.